Current affairs, the 11th of April 2020. Government disburses 15,841 crore rupees under PM Kisan during lockdown. The government has disbursed the first installment of 15,841 crore rupees to 7.92 crore farmers under the PM Kisan scheme since March 24, the day lockdown was announced to curb the spread of COVID-19. Under the Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi (PM Kisan) scheme, the centre transfers an amount of 6,000 rupees per year, in 3 equal installments, directly into the bank accounts of farmers, subject to certain exclusion criteria relating to higher income status. Dharmendra Pradhan participates in G20 Extraordinary Energy Ministers virtual meeting. Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas and Steel, Dharmendra Pradhan participated in the G20 Extraordinary Energy Ministers virtual meeting. The meeting was called by Saudi Arabia, in its capacity as the G20 presidency, and chaired by Saudi Arabia Energy Minister Prince Abdulaziz. The G20 energy ministers focused on ways and means to ensure stable energy markets, which are affected due to demand reduction as result of the COVID-19 pandemic and the ongoing surplus production-related matters. Government extends term of Banks Board Bureau members by 2 years. The government extended term of board members of the Banks Board Bureau, BBB, the headhunter for top management of state-run banks and financial institutions. The Appointments Committee of the Cabinet has approved extension of term of existing part-time chairman and members of the BBB for a period of 2 years beyond April 11 or until further orders, whichever is earlier, the Department of Financial Services said in notification. Mumbai becomes first city in India to make face masks in public compulsory. To reduce the spread of COVID-19, Brihanmumbai Municipal Corporation (BMC), the Mumbai civic body, has made face masks compulsory part of attire at public places. All persons moving out for whatever purpose and for whatever reason in public places like streets, hospitals, offices, markets etc. must wear mask or cloth mask. IMF inducts Raghuram Rajan to key external advisory group. The International Monetary Fund, IMF, MD Kristalina Georgieva named former RBI Governor Raghuram Rajan and 11 others to her external advisory group to provide perspectives from around the globe on key developments and policy issues, including responses to the exceptional challenges the world now faces due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Rajan, 57, who was the Reserve Bank of India (RBI) governor for 3 years until September 2016, is currently working as a professor at the prestigious University of Chicago. Bank credit growth slumps to 5-decade low of 6.14% in FY20. Bank credit growth decelerated to an over 5-decade low of 6.14% in the fiscal ended March 31, 2020, amid a faltering economy, lower demand and risk aversion among banks, RBI data showed. Bank advances growth in FY20 was the slowest since the fiscal ended March 1962, when loans had grown by 5.38%. Jana Small Finance Bank launches DigiGen. Jana Small Finance Bank launched DigiGen, a digital banking platform where customers can digitally open a savings account and fixed deposit instantly. DigiGen onboarding is a hassle-free, 3-step process to open an account. Customers are eligible for an attractive 4.5% per annum interest rates on savings account with no minimum balance and up to 7.50% per annum interest on fixed deposits. Flipkart, ICICI Lombard and Digit Insurance offer health plan for COVID-19 with instant claim. E-commerce firm Flipkart, in partnership with India's 2 leading insurers, ICICI Lombard and Digit Insurance, announced the launch of health insurance policies on its platform that distinctly cover COVID-19. Enabling health cover for consumers combating the global pandemic. These 2 group health insurance policies come with instant claim benefits, and the health insurance does not require any medical tests at the time of purchase. Indian Immunologicals Limited partners with Griffith University to develop COVID-19 vaccine. The Hyderabad-based IIL joined hands with Griffith University, Australia by entering into an agreement for research collaboration to conduct exploratory research to develop a lead vaccine candidate for COVID-19. As part of the agreement, scientists from Indian Immunologicals and Griffith University will develop a live attenuated SARS-CoV-2 vaccine, or COVID-19 vaccine using the latest codon de-optimization technology. National Safe Motherhood Day, April 11. The National Safe Motherhood Day is celebrated every year on April 11 in India in order to generate awareness about providing proper healthcare and maternity facilities to expecting mothers and lactating women. It was in the year 2013 that the Government of India declared April 11 as the National Safe Motherhood Day on the birth anniversary of political activist Kasturba Gandhi. Padma Shri awardee, Hindustani classical singer Shanti Hiranand passes away. Renowned Hindustani classical singer and Padma Shri awardee Shanti Hiranand Chawla passed away at a Gurgaon hospital. She was 87. She had a brief ailment. The singer was trained in Thumri, Dadra and Ghazal singing by Begum Akhtar, and was world-renowned for keeping the legendary Ghazal singer's style alive in her performances, which she staged all across the world. World Athletics suspends Olympics qualification until December due to COVID-19. The World Athletics has suspended the Tokyo Olympics qualification period until December 2020 due to the fast-spreading COVID-19 pandemic after consulting its Athletes Commission, area presidents and council. The news comes after the International Olympic Committee, IOC, deferred the Tokyo Summer Games to from July 23 to August 8, 2021. India football team retains 108th slot at FIFA's latest ranking. India football team retained its 108th spot in the latest FIFA rankings issued. In view of the COVID-19 pandemic, the whole raft of international fixtures including qualifiers for the FIFA World Cup and other major tournaments has been postponed. Belgium and France retained their first and second positions respectively in the latest rankings. Brazil is on the third place followed by England.